Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to export or import a virtual machine in Hyper-V. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Hyper-V provides an export-import feature that allows you to move or back up virtual machines efficiently. Export a virtual machine in Hyper-V. Open Hyper-V Manager and locate the VM you want to export. Right-click the VM and select Export. Choose a destination folder, where the exported files will be stored. Click Export and wait for the process to complete. Tip: the exported VM includes all necessary files, virtual hard disk, VHDX, configuration files, and checkpoints. Import a virtual machine in Hyper-V. Open Hyper-V Manager and go to Action, then Import Virtual Machine. Select the folder containing the exported VM files. Choose the VM to import and click Next. Select the import type. Register the VM in place. Uses existing files. Restore the VM. Copies files to a new location. Copy the VM. Creates a new unique VM. Click Finish to complete the import. Tip: if moving the VM to a different Hyper-V host, ensure compatibility with the Hyper-V version. Difference between export, import versus copy-paste method. Export, import VM. Copy-paste VM files. Portability can be used across different systems. Works best on the same system. Completeness includes all configurations in one file. Might miss snapshots or linked files. Ease of transfer simplifies moving VMs to another machine. Requires manual file management. Speed takes time to process. Faster for quick restores. Which method should you use? For structured backups or moving VMs to another system, use export, import. For quick local backups, use copy-paste. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.